Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doodle Jump on mobile. First, ensure you have the official app installed on your smartphone or tablet. The core gameplay involves tilting your device to move your character, the doodler, left or right. The doodler jumps automatically upon landing on any platform. Your primary goal is to continuously ascend, aiming for higher platforms and preventing your character from falling off the bottom of the screen. It's a simple yet addictive mechanic. As you ascend, you'll encounter various helpful power-ups. Springs give you a huge vertical boost, propelling you upwards several screen heights. Propeller hats let you fly for a few seconds, offering a controlled ascent. Jetpacks provide an even faster, more powerful climb. Don't forget the shields, which grant temporary invincibility against monsters and dangerous black holes, giving you a crucial advantage in your climb. The journey upwards isn't without its perils. You'll encounter numerous monsters. Touching them means game over. Fortunately, you can shoot them by simply tapping anywhere on your screen. Beware of black holes, which instantly pull in your doodler, ending your game. Also, some platforms are brown and break after one jump, so plan your moves carefully to avoid falling through. Staying alert is key to a high score. Your score in Doodle Jump is simply the highest point, measured in meters, that your doodler reaches during a game. To maximize this, strategically use every power-up you find. Bouncing on monsters can also give you a small extra boost in points, but be careful. Precision with your tilt controls is paramount for landing on small or moving platforms. Practice makes perfect, so keep playing to refine your skills and climb higher.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.